Hi everyone, I'm Yola. Today we are going to talk about 6 practical home items that will make your life much easier. First one, water dispenser. The nifty water dispenser ensures you've got access to cold and hot water whenever you want, saving your time and stay hydrated. Second, air purifier. Think of it as your personal air genie, transforming indoor air into a breath of fresh air, making every breath energizing. Third one, robot vacuum cleaner. Cleaning the house becomes a breeze. Tasks vanish in a snap. Fourth, window cleaning robot. Say goodbye to days of troublesome window cleaning. Let the robot handle it, and your windows will shine like new. Fifth, pop-up socket. One click to access power, one click to save space, and keep it dust and moisture free. 6. Roll up dish drying rack. Unroll it when you need it, and roll it up when your dishes are dry to save space. These are the 6 home items we are sharing with you today. If you have any recommendations, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to follow us for more home and decoration tips.